temperature and pressure relief valve is by far the most important safety device in water heaters. If the pressure or temperature inside the tank gets too high, the valve will open and release water, preventing the tank from exploding. Overall, it's best to test it once a year when you do your maintenance to be sure the valve can open when needed. Place a bucket below the drain tube and lift the lever to release water. Now close the valve. The water should stop flowing completely. Now, if the relief valve doesn't close and you still have a little bit of water flowing, then you'll have to replace the valve. And you can see how to do this in the video link below. For more troubleshooting on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.